Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to International Conference Mathematics, Science and Education 2022. My name is Yunisa Cesarianti and I will present my research. Its title is Collaborative Skill Improvement Analysis in Real Laboratories Based on Discovery Learning for Undergraduate Physics Education Major. For author is Rena Deni Agustina, Ricky Purnama Putra, Yunisa Cesarianti, and Nurhalia Maulida Putri. From Physics Education, UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung, Panyilekan Cimencrang Street, Gede Bage, Bandung City, West Japa, 40292 Indonesia. Next, for introduction. Education has an important role to create human resource that can face challenge in the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0, namely through 21st century. Learning is in the 21st century, or familiarly called 4CS, includes the following aspects: critical thinking skill, creative and innovative thinking skill, communication skill, and collaboration skill. One aspect that will be discussed in this study is the aspect of collaboration. Collaboration is equivalent to working effectively with others, but individually and group with the aim of solving the problem being studied. One of the learning activities that can improve critical thinking skill about actual laboratory activities. Practicum activities in the laboratory can train students to be actively involved in the process of observing, analyzing, proving, and concluding about objects or some other process through a small group. As a practicum activity, students are faced with scientific problems so that they are required to be able to solve the scientific problem independently and in group. Discovery learning is a learning model that gives learners the opportunity to learn to find their own solution to the problem at hand. In this case, real laboratory practicum activities that demand collaboration skill competencies by using discovery learning model provide opportunity for students to be able to find broad learning resource for practicum materials that are being studied. Next, for research method. For the first, qualitative descriptive. The research method used is a quantitative descriptive using by a one group pre-test post-test design research design and a student response questionnaire based on the rubric of collaboration assessment. Next, for a sample population, the subject of this study were 30 first-year students of the class of 2021 and 2022 from two different classes who participate in the Basic Physics Practicum 2 course at the Department of Physics Education UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. And indicator research in aspect is positive dependence between members, individual responsibility, group cooperation, and face-to-face interaction. And the last, data analysis. Furthermore, the research data was statistically processed using the SPSS version 25 software. The data analysis technique was carried out using the normality test and homogeneity test to test the sample, while the t-test was used to test the hypothesis. And next, for figure 1 is result of pre-test post-test value analysis and control class and experiment. And look here for class control for value of pre-test is 20,81% and experiment class is 21,74%. And value of post-test for for control class is 65.38% and experiment class is 77.27%. And figure 2 and gain score analysis result. For control class is 42.17% and experiment class 53.20%. In figure 2, it is clearly seen that the difference in the average and score between the control class and the experimental class is not much different from Engen score in the medium category. Although in the same category, but in the experiment class can be seen a fairly slightly significant change indicated by the post-test results shown in figure 1. And next, for figure 3 is result of the analysis of indicator of aspect of collaboration skill. And table 3 is different in pretest average value with Engen score. Is class, average score, normality, homogeneity, and significant. Overall, every aspect of the indicator is in the very high category, which means that the collaboration skill in each class run well during the laboratory activities. Based on the result of the processing, it can be concluded that the distribution of data on Engen score value in both class is discard normal distribute. Furthermore, the testing of variant homogeneity using Levin test of quality of error variance to look at the homogeneity of both class, namely Levin statistical significance, is greater than 0.05. This shows that the data is homogeneous. And the next, for conclusion, based on the result of research that has been conducted, it can be concluded that the collaboration skill possessed by first-year students of the class of 2021 and 2022 from two different classes who participate in the basic practicum 2 course at the Department of Physics Education using the Discovery Learning model were quite positive, include with an average score of 53.20%. This medium category explains that all students collaborating with their group of friends are good enough because every indicator can be met. Learners also gave a positive response to the assessment of collaboration skill using student response questionnaire because the result of questionnaire calculation show the score range in the range of medium category of 70% until 85%. And for reference, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.